wonderful. I am feeling full grown.
Look at you have every reason to
Hold your head up high.
as if all troubles your back stays nice and dry.
But my bottom's in bubbles. Keep paddling like the flappers. Just keep paddling with your flappers while seeming to be dreaming and tall.
Slow the pace,
But I wanna go faster.
not a race.
It's a skill I can master.
Clearly, you are nearly fit to drop.
No, I'm not. I could go on all day.
Have a break.
I feel fresh as a day.
Your legs must ache.
No, they don't. Are you crazy?
So maybe, now my baby, we should stop.
Would one lap round the lake be okay? It's the greatest thing. Can we have one more try?
This is Knackering. He swims better